Meet the Bugatti Tourbillon, an 1800 horsepower V16 hybrid built to succeed the Chiron. Is it the new king?
What if the world's fastest luxury car abandoned turbochargers, ignored electric-only trends, and instead built one of the most sophisticated naturally aspirated engines ever created? This isn't just another Bugatti. It's the Bugatti Tourbillon, the successor to the legendary Chiron, a machine designed not only to be faster, but to remain timeless decades from now. With nearly 1,800 horsepower, a screaming V16 engine, cutting-edge hybrid technology, and engineering inspired by the world's finest mechanical watches, Bugatti believes the Tourbillon could become the greatest hypercar ever built. But does it truly deserve the crown? Let's find out.
After 2 decades, Bugatti retired its legendary W16 and completely reinvented the hypercar from the ground up.
Bugatti's identity revolved around one extraordinary engine, the 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16. It powered icons like the Veyron and the Chiron, setting speed records that many believed would never be broken. But the W16 had reached its engineering limits. Adding more turbochargers or increasing displacement was no longer the answer. Instead of making another evolution of the Chiron, Bugatti chose something much more ambitious. They started from a completely clean sheet. Every bolt, every aerodynamic surface, every electronic system, and every mechanical component was redesigned. The result wasn't simply a replacement. It became an entirely new philosophy of what a hypercar should be. The heart of the beast, a naturally aspirated, the Tourbillon's biggest surprise lies beneath its sculpted body. Instead of turbochargers, Bugatti installed a breathtaking 8.3-liter naturally aspirated V16, developed in partnership with the renowned engineering company Cosworth. Unlike turbocharged engines that compress air to generate power, a naturally aspirated engine relies purely on atmospheric pressure. That means the engine responds instantly to every movement of the throttle. No turbo lag, no artificial sound, just pure mechanical precision. The V16 alone produces around 1,000 horsepower and revs to an astonishing 9,000 RPM, an incredible achievement for an engine of this size. Its sound is expected to be unlike anything produced by modern turbocharged hypercars, combining the smoothness of 12 cylinders with the drama of 16. For Bugatti, emotion matters just as much as speed. Hybrid technology done the Bugatti way. Although the Tourbillon celebrates combustion, it also embraces electrification. 3 electric motors work alongside the V16. 2 power the front wheels, while 1 assists the rear. Together, the electric system contributes roughly 800 horsepower, bringing the combined output to approximately 1,800 horsepower. Unlike many hybrid supercars that prioritize efficiency, Bugatti uses electricity primarily to improve performance. Electric motors deliver maximum torque instantly. This means explosive acceleration from a standstill, while the V16 builds power toward its screaming redline. The battery itself is integrated into the chassis to improve weight distribution and structural rigidity. The result is not just incredible straight-line speed but significantly sharper handling compared to previous Bugatti models.
The Bugatti Tourbillon features a carbon composite chassis and a Swiss-inspired analog cockpit built to last generations.
Engineering beyond speed power alone doesn't make the Tourbillon extraordinary. Its construction represents one of the most advanced engineering projects ever attempted in a road car. The chassis uses an all-new carbon composite structure that is lighter and significantly stiffer than before. Its suspension is inspired by motorsport technology, using advanced multi-link geometry to maximize grip while maintaining Bugatti's signature ride comfort. Even the dashboard reflects Bugatti's philosophy. Instead of relying entirely on digital displays, the Tourbillon features a beautifully crafted analog instrument cluster developed with Swiss watchmakers. The gauges use real gears, jewels, titanium, and sapphire-like precision engineering. Even if software becomes outdated decades from now, these mechanical instruments will continue functioning. Bugatti isn't building technology for today. It's building an heirloom.
The Bugatti Tourbillon hits 62 miles per hour in about 2 seconds, tops 276 miles per hour, and is limited to just 250 cars.
Official figures are staggering. The Tourbillon reaches 0 to 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, in around 2 seconds. Its top speed is electronically limited to 276 miles per hour, 445 kilometers per hour, with the standard key. Using the special speed key, the limiter increases, allowing the car to exceed 277 miles per hour, 446 kilometers per hour, with Bugatti targeting a top speed of approximately 445 kilometers per hour under the right conditions. Production will be limited to only 250 cars worldwide. Each carries a starting price of roughly $4.1 million before customization. Yet buyers aren't simply purchasing transportation. They're investing in one of the most exclusive engineering masterpieces ever created.
The Bugatti Tourbillon blends a V16 with hybrid power, redefining the future of hypercars.
The Bugatti Tourbillon isn't chasing trends. While much of the automotive industry focuses on silent electric performance, Bugatti chose to preserve the emotional experience of driving by pairing one of history's greatest naturally aspirated engines with state-of-the-art hybrid technology. It combines mechanical artistry, aerospace engineering, and extreme performance into a single machine. Whether it ultimately becomes the undisputed king of hypercars will be decided by history. But one thing is already clear: the Tourbillon has redefined what the next generation of hypercars can be. If you enjoyed discovering the engineering behind the world's most extraordinary cars, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because the future of speed is only getting started.